Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at this Oppo A9 2020. And this is the 8GB RAM variant. It's also available in 4GB of RAM, and the interesting thing is that both variants, the 4GB as well as the 8GB, come with 128GB of internal storage. And if you look at the back, it says that it has a 48 megapixel main camera, and this one is also having a quad rear facing camera setup. And it says that it has that 5000 mAh battery. It's powered by the Snapdragon 665 SoC. It also has dual speakers and Dolby Atmos. Dual speaker is something new in this segment, and as you can see, this review unit is the 8GB variant, and the pricing is out for this one. The 4GB variant that comes with 128GB is priced at 16,990, and the 8GB is priced at 19,990. I frankly feel they should have been a lot more aggressive in terms of pricing, considering the competition. But anyways, let's quickly open this up and have a look. So let's just open this up now. And by the way, guys, this is an offline centric smartphone, but this will also be available on online stores. Anyways, let's open this up, and looks like we have a case and some SIM ejector tool, some paperwork. I'll just keep that. And this is a typical rubber TPU case that we are seeing with a lot of handsets. So that's the same case with this one. I'll just keep that to the side. And here is the phone itself. It says A9 2020. This is the 8GB RAM variant with 5000 mAh battery. Let's open this up, and this is in this nice color. I'll just keep that to the side. We'll just take this out also. So let's see what else do we get in the box. So we have a headset that's given, so that's actually nice. Many brands these days skimp that, and these look like AirPods, frankly, guys. And we also have a button here and an integrated microphone, so let me keep that to the side. Let's see if it's USB Type-C or micro USB. At least good thing we are having a USB Type-C port on this one, so that's at least a nice thing. And we have a charger. This is a Oppo branded charger, guys. Looks like just 5 volts at 2 amps over here, as you can see. So that's what we get in the box. So let me keep that to the side, and let's look at this handset itself. As you can see, I have the handset, and this is having a 6.5-inch screen. And let me give you a physical overview. Thing is, guys, it's just a HD plus screen, not a full HD screen. They should have given a full HD screen. Anyways, on the top we have nothing, and this also looks like a plastic polycarbonate back, but the back is very shiny like this, and you get that gradient effect like this, as you can see. And here we have just a power on off button. Has green accent, and bottom will be the speaker, but according to the specs it has a stereo dual speaker. We'll look at it. USB Type-C port, main microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and here we have the SIM tray. Let me just take out the SIM tool. Here we have it. So let's see what configuration do we have with this one. And we are having a triple slot, guys, so that's actually a nice thing. So let me just put this back, and back you have the triple camera, it says, but here also we have one more, so they are calling it that quad camera setup. And we have the fingerprint sensor over here. So let me just power this on, guys, and let me just power it on, and by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Oppo A9 is having a 6.5-inch IPS LCD HD Plus screen. It's protected by Gorilla Glass 3 Plus. It's powered by the Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. It comes with 4 or 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. It also has stereo speaker and Dolby support. Moving to the camera, the rear camera is a quad camera setup. The main camera is a 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Then we also have a 2 megapixel monochrome camera and 2 megapixel for portrait and depth. Moving to the front facing camera, it's a 16 megapixel, and it also has a 5000 mAh battery. So guys, I've set up this device, and we do have some extra bloatware that is installed. Let's see, we can uninstall it. Yes, you can remove some of the junkware that is actually pre-installed on this device. And this is ColorOS 6 that you're getting on this one, and you have some quick toggles over here, and also this app tray. And if we go over here and if we go to about, where did it go? Here it is. As you can see, it's running on Android version 9, that's Android Pie. And this is the 8GB variant. But the thing, as I've told you, both the variants have 128GB of storage, even if you go for the 4GB. And out of that 128, as you can see, about 104GB is space that is available to you. And let's go back over here, and this is typical color OS that you can see. So if you have used any Oppo device, this is the same thing that you would see. This also has a fingerprint scanner here on the back. It also asks you to enroll in face unlocking. I didn't do that, but let's test the fingerprint scanner. And as you can see, it is really fast. So fingerprint scanner is not an issue on this device, but I would say that use it with the case that is supplied, because it can else become a fingerprint magnet. But as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is good, and also the screen quality is good. It's an IPS LCD screen, and even as you can see, I've kept it in a very low brightness. It's actually still very bright. So no issues regarding the screen, but they should have gone with the HD, full HD plus screen, and instead of just this HD plus screen. So now let's see the camera, because again, I feel this is also a camera centric phone. So let me just bring some objects nearby, and let's see how it fares in terms of camera. Let me bring this Oppo box also over here. So this is the 1X, like this, as you can see. I hope you guys can see that. And then we have the 2X. This is digital zoom, guys, and even 5X. I wouldn't say go with the 5X. And then we have this. This is that wide angle lens that we have. As you can see, can capture a lot. Just go out. This is the regular. The wide is actually really wide on this. And then we have the standard portrait and all this. I'll show you sample shots with that one. And we also, so that's what it is. And if you go over here, we also have the night mode that is there from this menu. And if we go back like this, this is the front facing camera. It's in the portrait mode by default. This is the regular mode, and it also has auto HDR. So that's actually nice, as you can see. So that's a nice thing. Again, it's an Oppo phone, so I'm expecting that the selfies will be good, as you also have the beauty mode and all those things. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some sample shots outdoors so that you get a better idea regarding the camera. So these were taken with the rear facing camera, and this was that zoom that I used, and this was the wide angle lens. And again, give you an idea, regular shot, this was that digital zoom, and finally this is that wide angle lens. Now moving to close-up macro shots also, I feel it did actually pretty good job. As you can see, even the color reproduction is good, and the close-up shots have a lot of detail. Now moving to human subject, this was the regular shot that I took, and here I used that 2x zoom, and here I used that wide angle lens. Now moving to portrait shots, this is taken in the portrait shot, but I feel it didn't do a great job. It was doing the background blur quite a bit in the portrait shot. Now moving to front facing camera, again I feel it does a good job. This was taken in the evening about 6:45. Light was dull, then also it did a good job with the front facing camera. Recording this video with the Oppo smartphone's rear facing camera, and the audio is also being recorded wired, and as you can see, I'm recording it handheld. So this should give you an idea about the video recording with the rear facing camera. Now I'm recording the video with the front facing camera of this Oppo smartphone, and the audio is also being recorded via the same. By default, guys, note that it is set to actually 720p, but I've changed it to 1080p. So this is the video recording with the front facing camera at 1080p. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Oppo A9 2020 edition. So what do you guys think about this Oppo A9? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.